Okay, I'm inside the bus. We're gonna start. We call her Bessie. Start Bessie up. She usually turns right over. If it sits for like a month or two, you might have to put some gas in the carburetor, just a squirt of it. But to start it, just pull the choke out. You actually don't even need the keys anymore. We have this battery switch over here that operates the start, and there's a push button start. So you just flip that up and pull the choke out, and then press the button, and fires right up. And the key does operate the gauges, so as far as the gauges going down the road, you do have to have the key on. So you got a battery gauge, fuel, engine temp, oil pressure, and want to see headlights are over here. We got fans up in front here for the driver. There's interior dome lights in the bus. They all work. There is stickers throughout the bus ceiling. You see these stickers that when people rode a ride by with us, they would sign a sticker and put it on the bus somewhere. So that could take some elbow grease getting off, but otherwise you could leave all those on. We'll go take a look underneath the engine. I got it about a half choke right now, so right. Turn that down a little bit. Now it's been running for a couple minutes, but you can hear it runs, purrs pretty good.